Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a big announcement here. So Deloitte is going to hire for the business technology analyst profile, that is BTA. So friends, the link will be given in the description, and at the end of the videos you will understand what is a requirement, which or batch are eligible. So basically 19, 20 and 2021 graduates are eligible, and how to apply step by step. So friends, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, because all these important updates regarding the job you should not miss. Okay, now so you can see friends, off campus hiring, and the location is Hyderabad, Andhra Pradesh, right? Okay, profile, so you can see here below. So all this things has been given. So this is a analyst role. So are you a quick learner with the willingness to work with the new technology? Yes. So definitely, so this thing will be common for each and every company, so nothing to worry. Now friends, what actually you are going to do? So as you know, this is a business technology analyst profile, so definitely something related to understanding the business you will be doing it. Okay, and then you will be working on that. So anyway, let us see. So maybe testing and development will be also required here. So as a business technology analyst at Deloitte Consulting, you will be responsible for crafting, developing and deploying the software solution at an enterprise level. You will be working with functional team in the project located at offshore as well as onshore. So first you need to understand the business requirement and needs. Okay, support technical functional process, document creation and maintain an efficient library, build, test and deliver solution. So you need to build, develop, and then you need to test, and then you need to deliver. Okay, and then friends, support application design, responsible for technical specification creation, responsible for code development and unit testing. So definitely the development and the testing is there. So okay, so if you are a BTech graduate of 19, 20 and 2021, then definitely you will be able to apply for this. And if you are looking for a development and testing profile, responsible for test data creation and test script creation and execution. So test testing related things are there. Test script means automation, like you will be working on Python or Go language or any automation languages. So you'll have to automate the test scripts. Then support infrastructure building activities, adhere to defined process and tools while performing day-to-day operation. So what is the general the qualification required here? So Bachelor of Technology, or you can say BE or BTech. Okay, then general expectation. So friends, excellent analytical skill and communication skill, written, verbal and presentation, that every company requires. Okay, so friends, nothing to worry about here. Okay, so all those things all companies require that. Okay, so you should be very much efficient, your communication skills should be better. Okay, so you should always suggest some practical solutions. Okay, identify the best industry practices and implement in the engagements. So these are the friends things which every company wants. Skills, be deadline oriented and quality focused. Yes, definitely we are good presentation skill, good communication skill, good analytical skills, everything they want in only one person, right? So only one person should have all the skills. So yes, you say yes, we have all the skills, and after saying that, click on apply now. So if you are a new user, so friends, step by step we will do it, because many people many times they ask, sir, what should I fill here? Okay, so if you are a new user, then you need to create. Okay, so yes, I am a new user now friends, so you can fill the details to register yourself. So I will write Pratik KU. Okay, and then password, and now click on register, and let us see if you are able to register or not. So welcome, you are not signed in. Okay, now you have to save it, and yes, we are able to do the registration. Okay, select language, so English, yes, then I acknowledge, so no need to read all those things. Then friends, if you'll see, you need to upload your resume, and if you have anywhere in LinkedIn or anywhere, then you can select that, or you can upload the resume, right? So what I will do, I will upload my resume from here. Okay, and then you have to choose the file. Yeah, okay, so let me see. Yes, my resume is there, so I have selected the resume, and then save and continue. So if you'll upload your resume, then you need to fill less and less data. Okay, now personal information. Okay, so then source type, so from where did you get to know? So Mr. Okay, so name, home phone number, so I will put Online Study for You number. Okay, and then Yeah, pin code. So I'll put some pin code, random. Place of residence, okay, email address is already there. Date of birth, so September 20, and year I will put 19. Okay, so yeah, 1996 I will put. And have you ever been employed with Deloitte? No. Now save and continue. So if any details is required, it will throw the error. Otherwise, you will be redirected to the next page. So you have questionnaire. Okay. So first to third year overall grade. So I'll put something. Okay. Please indicate you have service in preface in Deloitte. So audit, tax, corporate finance. So according to your interest, you can put. I'm just selecting tax. Okay. So I'm just selecting some random value when you are filling. So according to your interest, you can fill. Resume CV. So you can provide a plain text version of your resume in the text field. Type your resume directly in this, okay, or attachment. So I will, what I will do, I will attach it. So why should I waste time? Because it will, the file has been already attached. Yes. So let us overwrite. Okay, and then we should be able to move ahead. Okay, save and continue. If any error is there, then each and every pages you will be getting the error. Then education and work experience. So educational institution, we need to select it, or you can, for time being, I will try to fill anything. Okay. Okay friends, now if we click on save and continue, so it should be able to take, because we have filled all the details, and review and submit. So you just have to review whatever you have filled. So do not fill your name or any details wrongly, and then click on submit. And friends, once you click on submit, so thank you for interest in opportunity at Deloitte. We invite you to view the available job openings and for further explore the functionality of your account. So you can just go and check for the opportunities. Okay. And friends, you should also get a mail. Sometimes you do not get the mail immediately, but you can see here Deloitte acknowledgement of campus hiring BTA. So friends, this is a step-by-step process which will definitely help you, right, in applying, and you will be easily able to understand and fill the form. You should not have any more doubts now. Thank you friends, and if you have still not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, because you are going to get all the updates regarding the new job. Thank you.